This crate contains all the tools, food, water, and supplies you'll need to live here for 2 days.
We called it a live interactive reality show.
Your mission is to build a raft to get you to safety.
Really exciting project for us.
Hi, I'm Jimmy Kimmel with a word from Craftsman, sponsors of Screwed, the real-time interactive reality show that encourages you to give an unhandy guy named Alan tips to get him through a series of challenges alive. Now, a couple days ago, Alan was sitting innocently in his apartment in his pajamas. Two men blindfolded him and dropped him off in the middle of the desert. Alan survived thanks to the advice he got via Twitter and Facebook. Hello, Alan.
30 seconds away, guys. Here we go.
Go live. What if we develop a program that's all about people who don't know what the hell they're doing with tools?
Whoa! That's close.
We needed someone that was going to interact with the camera, because the camera's the audience that's watching it.
Well, I can't see anything.
Just, can you back up? Can you back up? Back up!
You want this to be a real experience for that person and for the viewer.
It's a bear! Okay, I think somebody just shot a gun. Oh, good Lord, there's a snake in there.
We were in pretty remote locations. We were in the bayou, and we were in the desert, we were in the mountains.
I don't think the altitude's getting to me. Maybe I just don't know the altitude's getting to me.
We used a combination of these live streaming backpacks, which use cellular technology. And in addition, we had a satellite truck to supplement that, just to make sure that the viewers at home could watch.
Do you think I could actually pet the alligator a little bit? Oh, look at that.
What's really unique about a project like Screwed is that we're marrying the talents of a live action director with an interactive director to bring something like an interactive reality series to life. We had Ogens, who's our live action director, who's absolutely amazing at documentaries and exec producing reality shows, combined with world-renowned interactive developer Grant Skinner, who specializes in streaming technologies and marrying the physical world with the interactive world. Bringing together two talents like this is what allows us to kind of take storytelling into the interactive realm and produce a project like Screwed.
Which one do you think is the best one?
If we just drop a guy in the middle of nowhere who doesn't know what he's doing, we can let him have to rely on these hardcore tool guys for advice.
Okay, I think I'm gonna get the feedback that the long chainsaw is the best one to use.
We would actually plant inside of our storyline certain things that the online audience would only have information on.
If anybody knows where the bears are, please just tell me.
When we were in the desert, Alan had to build a dune buggy. Unfortunately, he didn't have all of the tires. We decided to hide one of the tires in a really remote location in the desert, and the only way to find that was from a map that we ended up planting online that the online audience had access to. They would have the choice of helping or not helping Alan.
Knowing that I'm not doing these tasks alone is actually really helpful. I mean, a lot of those comments actually really helped quite a bit. Get me out of here!
We had a moderator on set so that when a tweet came in, the moderator would report that over to the director and the AD, and they would then be able to see which one of the tweets were the best for that moment in time, and then communicate that via an earpiece to Alan.
Do you think I could defeat a bear with a sledgehammer?
No, you're gonna lose.
Why?
If somebody had 1 million followers versus 500 followers, we would reprioritize the person with 1 million followers.
This looks like a lot of work. I hate work.
If Alan responded to the person with 1 million followers, we would have a much better chance of getting more people to hear about this.
Tried guys asking if I'm going crazy. I don't think I go crazy. I think I'm actually fairly stable. I don't think I'd get cabin fever.
The primary objective of this campaign was social engagement for the DIY community, primarily on Facebook. And so the quantitative measure of that success was simply the amount of Facebook likes. We not only met our objective, but we actually more than doubled the amount of Facebook likes for the Craftsman brand.
Master Electrician!
What I loved about it is sort of this new beast. People have done commercials and people have done digital interactive projects. People have done reality shows, but combining them all together into this project, I think, is what made it really innovative and new and different.